Storytelling, terrific insights. I've done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier without low-fall restrictions. Policy safe. Thunderstorms, power and danger in the sky. Reasons why. Have you ever looked up at the sky and thought, wow, that cloud looks angry? Well, you're not wrong because thunderstorms are basically nature saying, let me show you what I can do. Eye-opening examples of why they deserve your respect. Let's get into it. 1. Lightning nature's flash photography. Lightning isn't just dramatic, it's powerful enough to hit the air around it hotter than the surface of the sun. That's like your sky taking a selfie with a built-in explosion. Reason why it matters, lightning can strike suddenly and travel through objects, making it dangerous even from a distance. 2. Heavy rain, instant water, not a fun kind. 1 minute it is sunny, next, boom, you're in a free shower you didn't ask for. Reason why it matters, heavy rain can create flooding quickly, especially in cities where drainage struggles to keep up. 3. Strong winds, invincible bodybuilders. Thunderstorms come with winds strong enough to knock down over trees and your umbrella's dignity. Reason why it matters, those winds can damage homes, power lines, and make outdoor conditions unsafe. 4. Thunder, the sky sound system. That loud boom, that thunder, basically the sky clapping aggressively. Reason why it matters, thunder signals nearby lightning. If you hear it, you're close enough to be risk. 5. Tornado possibility. When things start spinning, some thunderstorms take it a notch and say, let's spin things around. Reason why it matters. Tornadoes can form from severe storms and cause serious destruction in minutes. 6. Hail, ice cubes from the sky. Imagine ice falling from the sky and it's not for your drink. Reason why it matters. Hail can damage crops, cars, roof, and your plans for the day. 7. Sudden temperature props. Ever notice suddenly gets cooler before a storm? That's nature setting the AC on button. Reason why it matters, this shift can signal an incoming storm, giving you a chance to prepare. 8. Power outages, unexpected digital detox. Storm hits and your Wi-Fi disappears. Suddenly, you remember life before the internet. Reason why it matters, lightning and strong winds can disrupt electricity and communication systems. 9. Dangerous travel conditions. Driving in a thunderstorm, it's like playing a video game on expert mode but in real life. Reason why it matters, low visibility, slippery roads, and strong winds